Good morning, I'm Greg with Alan Rapidry in beautiful Anchorage, Alaska, where it's gorgeous and snowy and winter wonderland today. It's in the month of February 2023. Depending on when you see this video, I want to show you a property we're doing today. It's a property that the owner is selling and they're moving out of. It's a beautiful home, just under 6,000 square feet. Now, we're not going to be doing the entire home, but a fair amount of the upstairs, a couple of staircases. So I'll give you a sense of what we're doing today. Enjoy. You see our high heat truck-mounted system running, and the hose is coming through, going up the staircase. We're going to close this door as close as we can there to allow minimal escaping of heat. We're going to walk up the stairs, and it's a beautiful home. We do homes of all types, whether multiplexes, duplexes, threeplexes, fourplexes, etc., and also quite large homes. Occupied, vacant, doesn't matter. Say hello there. And so here we came in. Nice, can I believe it? Nice large moose there. We're all the way to the back. We're doing this long, large hallway. And this goes all the way back into a little open area at the top of another set of stairs, which we'll also be doing after this main job is done, into the very large theater room. So this room is about, roughly, give or take, probably 600 square feet or so. It's about 30 by around 30, I guess, so about 900 square feet actually. Nice size property. What a nice ceiling, nice accent lighting along the top there. But there's my grandson Ethan doing the work. That's how you do it. You start a small business and you hire young, able people to do the work for you. Let them slave away behind the wand. So Ethan, we're on video, and I just say hello. Hello. A little shy, but that's okay. Anyway, so we come back down this way, and they've had some mats covering the floor for a number of years, so we expect this to come out quite nice. We will also be doing this staircase going down the back area. See, there we go. The staircase going down. And coming back down this hallway. We did a number of rooms the other day, but today we're just doing that large room you saw, plus this hallway, 2 sets of stairs, and hello again. And then the master bedroom, which has been vacated since they're moving into a different property. So they've sold this and they're moving out. But anyway, that's kind of what we do here at Alan Rapidry in Alaska. So hope you enjoy our videos. We don't do just rugs, we do rugs and a whole lot more. Don't forget our rug shop does high-end rugs, actual rug cleaning facility in Anchorage at 106 East Dowling, Unit B as in Baker. Well, I'm Greg with Alan Rapidry. I hope you have a wonderful day, the kind of day that you want to have. Now let's say hi and goodbye to Bullwinkle.